Hello guys, so today our next topic is Progress Check 8, Unit 15 and 16. So let's start. Read and circle. Tom does his homework in the afternoon. My birthday is on May 15th. Manos go to bed at 10 o'clock. I drink milk in the morning. She goes to school at 8 o'clock every day. Lesson starts at 9 o'clock. He watches TV in the evening. What do you usually do on Saturdays? Is your birthday in July? It's cold in the winter. She always has lunch at noon. We fly a kite in the spring. Some use in, on, or at. Again, we go to school on Mondays. Do you do your homework in the evening? My brother plays football on Fridays. We go to the park at the weekend. I always have breakfast in the morning. He usually has lunch at 12 noon. The children go to park in the afternoon. My mom's birthday in August. There are a lot of flowers in our garden in the spring. We finish school at 4 o'clock. Does Ali go to cinema on Sundays? It's Helen's birthday on May 6th. So, again, Sam gets up at 7 o'clock in the morning. He has breakfast and then he goes to school. School starts at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock at noon. At noon, he has lunch at school. He goes back home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He does his homework, then he goes to park. At 8 o'clock, he has dinner. He goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night. Sam's favorite day is Saturday. On Saturdays, he goes to the cinema with his friends. Sam gets up at 11 o'clock on Sunday mornings. He often goes to zoo with his parents. So, on the other, what's his name? Whose pen is this? When is your birthday? Who is that man? What is that animal? Where is your school? Who is playing in the garden? Whose are these keys? When the school starts? Where is my bag? What are you doing? So, let's check the next one. Write the correct word. When is your birthday? What do you eat for breakfast? Whose jacket is this? Who is your best friend? Where is your house? So then, what's your favorite color? When do lessons finish? Who is your favorite teacher? Where do your grandparents live? Whose pencils are these? When do you usually get up? What's your dad's name? So let's check the other one. My name is Anna. Hello, I am Billy. What's your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from New York. Where do you live? I live near the school. Who is your teacher? Mr. Brown. He's my teacher too. Where is his classroom? It's next to the library. Great. When do lessons start? At 9 o'clock. What is your favorite lesson? English. Great, I have got an English lesson now. So let's listen and tick the box. So we know that there is one example.
Check 8. Exercise 7, page 90. Listen and tick the box. There is one example. What time does Billy get up?
Do you get up at 7 o'clock, Billy?
No, I don't.
Do you get up at 9 then?
No, I get up at 8 o'clock.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. When does Tony play football?
Does Tony play football on Fridays?
No, he doesn't.
Does he play on Thursdays?
No, he doesn't. Tony plays football on Mondays.
2. When is Tom's birthday?
Is Tom's birthday in June?
No, it isn't.
Is it in September?
No, Tom's birthday's in March.
3. When is the party?
Is your party on May the 5th?
No, it isn't.
Is it on May the 15th?
No, it isn't. My party is on May the 25th.
Now listen again.
So we have listened to that. Let's check our song, and it's the last one.
Song.
We get up at 8 o'clock, it's time to start the day. We finish school at 3 o'clock, we always shout hooray! We meet our friends at 4 o'clock, and then it's time to play. We're happy all the time. We are happy in the morning. We're happy in the evening. We are happy at the weekends. We're happy all the time. On Mondays we play tennis and we sometimes watch TV. On Wednesdays we play football or we climb our favorite tree. On Fridays we play basketball and everyone can see we're happy all the time. We are happy in the morning. We're happy in the evening. We are happy at the weekends. We're happy all the time. In the summer we can swim and play out in the sun. In winter we play in the snow and have a lot of fun. In autumn we play with the leaves, it's fun for everyone. We're happy all the time. We are happy in the morning. We're happy in the evening. We are happy at the weekends. We're happy all the time.
So we have listened to our song too. So let's see you next time.